Hello guys, welcome to our channel Tutorial River, and in this video we will learn how to add Roblox to your Discord status. So firstly, you have to open your Discord, click on the Discord icon, and the Discord will load. After opening Discord, now you have to open Roblox player. So go to the search panel of Windows and type Roblox player. Now click on open. After Roblox player has opened, if you open Discord, you will see that Roblox has been detected by Discord. Now go to the settings menu, then registered games, and make sure that Roblox is shown here as a registered game. Then go to activity privacy and toggle on share your detective activity with others in the activity status. And now if you close it and click on your profile, you will see that Roblox is now showing as a game being played. And if you go to any server and click on your profile, you will see that here it is also being shown as a game being played. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.